Well, welcome to my bullshit fucking life. So it's well over 70 degrees in here, and I want to turn the air conditioning on. Okay. That turns on. That's air compressor. No, air conditioning off. That's all the way out. No air conditioning. No bueno. That is a second fucking thermostat I put in this god freaking piece of fucking shit. No more. That is a second fucking thermostat I put in that piece of shit. Now it's done to piss me off. This is the fucking one that came out of that piece of shit. And now I have no air conditioning again because it burned up the second thermostat. What the fuck is wrong with you, GE? Well, I don't care. Your ass out my window tomorrow. Never again. Worthless garbage. No wonder so many people have had complaints online about you. You're worthless. You're garbage. You know, that's all there's to it. So, any of you have ever bought one of these? Get rid of it. Throw it in the garbage. Save yourself the hassle. Because they're garbage. Unfucking believable. You know, all that money spent. Yep. All that money spent. Garbage. No matter what thing you put on, garbage. Don't work. Worthless. Don't buy a GE product.